How to install Facebook Pixel on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to install Facebook Pixel on Shopify. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you guys will open up your Shopify store. So you will get right here. In order to install a Facebook pixel, you need to create the pixel on Facebook. So simply open up your Meta Business Suite. If you have a business account on Facebook and if you have a page, then you will get your own business suite. In your Meta Business Suite, simply go to All Tools and open up your Events Manager. Now, this is our Events Manager, and this is where we create a Facebook pixel. Simply click on Connect Data Source, and then you have to select Web, click on Next, give your pixel a name, and then create a Facebook pixel. I have already created a pixel, and you can see it says you can only create one pixel per account. That is why, unfortunately, I cannot show you the steps because I have already created a pixel. Let me show you. You can see I have my Sway Closet pixel created. This is the name for my Shopify store too. So once the pixel is created, we need to connect Facebook to Shopify. So we can do that within our Facebook. You can just go to your pixel and then click on Continue Setup. And you can see install code manually or check for a partner. Click on check for a partner. And you can see that Shopify is actually an official partner of Facebook. So you will click on Shopify. And now we need to connect our store. Verify the connection. Add your URL, your Shopify URL. You will add it right here and verify and then confirm. This way you will be able to add your pixel to your Shopify. This is our Facebook pixel that we're adding. We can also add Facebook directly to Shopify by just going to the Shopify App Store and search for Facebook and add it to your Shopify. I have already done all of these steps, and you can see if I go to my settings and sales and apps, here I have my Facebook, and this is how you can also go ahead and add your Facebook pixel to your Shopify. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.